Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So let's get started with a new video about the Bitiro app. So I've provided the link in the description. So before you start, make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon please, so that we can reach more subscribers and support you guys. And here you can see here is the service where you can complete them. So these are the surveys on this first initial screen. You can see different type of surveys where they offer you points for completing the service. Next is the task. The first one is video. So whenever you watch a video ad, you get 1 point. And next, apps AJ. This is the new one guys, and if you are from US, then you are going to earn 1,000 points every 3 hours to 5 hours. So if you are in US, make sure you check that information. And if you're not in US, then you have to obviously do the other surveys and tasks, because there is no other option for other countries. So here you can see we need to collect the tokens, and then only we will be able to get into that one to estimate the price of Bitcoin and win points. So here you can see previously users have estimated the right thing. They have won around $1. Here 1,000 points equals to $1. So they have earned $1 just for estimating the Bitcoin. And here you can see the highest point guys. People are earning 1,000+ points just using that AJ task thing. And here you can see referral bonus. So whenever you use my code, you will get the referral bonus. And here is the referral bonus per each country you guys will receive whenever you refer your friends. So the top country, that is US, get 50 points, other 30, and the other 10. And here you can see you can also personalize your invite code. As I'm changing to my YouTube channel account, so now it changes to BitBorn. So obviously you can change it if you want. And then here is the reward shop. So whenever you reach 1,000 points, you can shop the Bitcoin and move to Coinbase and PayPal. There are other rewards like Amazon gift card, Google Play, Starbucks, Target. So these can be redeemed whenever you reach the point limit mentioned over there. And here you can see we have the other thing over here where we can also see the banners below. That's it guys, hope you like the video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon, also use the link in the description.